Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. So we are going to be doing week 2 and that is going to run from the 8th through the 14th. Now, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and hanging out with me. Be sure to subscribe down below and let me know if you have a channel. I am more than willing to go and check you guys out. So this week was actually pretty good. I think I did really good. I only had, I want to say 3 spend days out of, a week. So that's pretty good. Before we get started, I am using a Erin Condren Deluxe planner. This is the 8.5 by 11 planner. Absolutely love it. It is a little big. A lot of people like the, I think it's the 7.5 one, and that's fine. I'm thinking about getting a smaller one so I can take it around with me to the store and stuff, but absolutely love it because I love how big it is and everything. I have a lot of space. Also, I'm using Simply Cami stickers and absolutely love her. She's one of my really good friends on here, so be sure to go and check out her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. And then I have my cheat sheets that tells me color coded what everything is. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. But we're going to get started. So on the 8th and the 9th, we had a no spend day. So I'm going to use these no spend stickers. And this is actually my last row. And I thought I had another sheet, so I'm going to have to go and buy some more. So this is no spend. So I went 4 days without spending anything, you guys. So that's actually pretty good. All right, so the 10th, I worked a night shift, but we still had to go grocery shopping and everything. So grocery shopping at Walmart. If you have not seen my video, I do Walmart grocery hauls every Sunday. Make sure you go and check that out. The link will be down below. Alright, so I'm going to place that right there. And then I had to get my newspaper, which I also do videos on inserts, like your weekly ad inserts and your coupon inserts, like what's a good deal and everything else. So make sure you go and check that video out. Also, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Alright. I hope you are having a wonderful week. I'm actually having a pretty decent week. It has been raining or wanting to rain, and it has been scorching hot. Like in my car, the index was like 104 degrees yesterday, which was crazy. All right, so the 11th, we had a no spend day. I'm running out. Oh no, I have to order some as soon as this video is done. All right, and then the 12th, I was actually off. I hung out with my friend that I haven't hung out with in forever. Like we text and everything, but I haven't physically hung out with her in forever. So we got some Starbucks, so that was coming out of the fun money. And that was $5 because we got this new drink. It's the lemonade berry. So good. All right. And then we actually went and got sushi, but I used the money that my boyfriend gave me. So technically, it's not coming out of any of my envelopes. And I know I was supposed to do a no out to eat this month, but I haven't seen her in forever, and we have not had sushi in like months, and I really, really wanted it. All right, and then what did we do? We went... $13 came out of cushion because I needed to get some stuff at Hallmark. I think I got something at Hallmark. I can't remember. Now this is not the color, so we're going to use blue. I'm just going to write cushion, and then we did $13. All right. Now I can't remember what I used it on, but I know I swiped my card. Oh, no. Okay, so there's a subscription box that I ordered. I remember now. It's a Universal Yummy, and it has like different snacks from around the country, and then like this month it's, I think, turkey. So I'm super excited. Like, me and Jared just wanted to find something that was pretty cool and just try it out. But I mean, it's fine. We had money for it, so we're just gonna try it out, see if we like it. If not, we'll just cancel it. It's no big deal. All right, so the 13th, I went to Target and I used my cushion because I did not have my gift fund with me, but I bought a baby clothes. So I'm just going to write baby Target. I bought a cute little outfit for my godson. Super cute. It was on clearance. It was like $7. But I did film my Target haul, so that will be linked down below. Also, that was pretty fun. I got some really, really good deals. And then gas, I was running on E, so I had to fill all the way up, which was $20. All right. And then the 14th was a no spend. All right, and there you have it, folks. So from the 8th through the 14th, I did not spend anything. Well, I mean, sorry. The 6th, 7th, 8th, I did not spend anything, and the 9th. But from the 8th through the 14th, I actually did pretty good. Like I said, only 3 days of a no spend. So that's really exciting. Now I'm going to flip over to this page. Now, if you like this distance away from the actual planner, let me know down below, because I have been adjusting, like zooming in, zooming out. Like, just let me know down below. I actually like this because you can actually see everything. But yes, so now we are going to figure out how much we spent and what our balance is. I will show y'all in my financial piece envelope system how much money I have, just to make sure we are all on the page. So let's get settled in. All right, so for groceries, now I'm just going to flip back and forth. For groceries, we used $54. And then that was out of 100. So let me get my little, Bobo calculator that I don't even like anymore. All right, so 100 minus 54 equals $46 is how much our balance should be. Gas, we spent $20, so we should have $40 left. Fun money, we spent $3 on a newspaper and $5 for Starbucks, so it's $8. Out of 40, should be 32. Out to eat. Sinking funds. We didn't use anything because I swiped my card for that cute outfit. So spent $0. And then cushion, we spent $13 and $7, so we spent $20. And that was $41. So we have $21 left out of that. Oh, I gotta write down how much my money. Okay, groceries. So we should have $46. Let's see. 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. $46, so that is correct. All right, gas, we should have $40. $40. Fun money, we should have $32. 20, 30, 31, 32. And then we have some coins, so I'm actually going to dump that out. Alright, and then I had this like jar that was just laying around. So I've been adding to it, which I think is really fun because I'm going to like record the progress, and then at the end I'll just put it in my piggy bank. But as I was filming this, this is how much I spent. This is the balance. But on sinking funds, let's go back to the 13th. Now, I did use my sinking funds. I bought some wedding high heel shoes. I bought some beige shoes if you go and watch my video. But I spent $15 on that. No, actually it was $16 because it was taxes. $16 on that. So I'm going to write Target. And then, actually, let me just redo this one because I don't like it. All right, so let's write wedding. And then $16. Totally forgot about that, but good thing I did not put the total for that. So wedding is $16. All right, so we're going to flip on back over. All right, and then we're actually going to use this. All right, and then write $16. So how much money do I have? I had $293. Let's see, minus 16. So I have $277. All right, you guys, so that is it. We have $46 left in groceries, $40 left in gas, $32 in fun money, no money in out to eat, $277 in sinking funds, and then cushion we have $21. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let me know down below. If y'all enjoy it, give this a big thumbs up so I will know that y'all enjoy my check-ins. And I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. It's almost Friday, you guys, so hang in there. And I will see you guys later. Bye.